Hi guys, welcome to Best of Guru. We have young talented woman in this channel today as a guest, and she is a woman blogger, influencer, and most importantly, a young mom. She is also very popular in social media if you are into mom blogging or parent blogging. But if you don't know about her, then definitely you should add her in your buddy list. Otherwise, you are missing some awesome personality. So, she is none other than Chaya Sharma, who is a Hyderabad mom blogger as of now, and she is a founder of Hyderabad Moms community, and she is a blogger in Indian Moms blog, and also she is latest into chief marketing officer for my play. Let us know more about that in her own voice. Hi, Chaya, how are you?
Hi, Guru sir. Thank you so much for inviting me to your channel. I'm feeling so much honored. And yes, I do have, some microblogs, Indian Mommy, Hyderabad Moms, Hyderabad Mom Tribe. Then I have a big community called Hyderabad Moms, which comprises of 12,000 plus moms from all over Hyderabad in Facebook. It's a closed community. Then I also handle some other communities called My Playdate. I have joined there as chief marketing officer. So I also run their communities, webinars, and everything like related to promotion and marketing. So that's it. And yes, I do many more things. small things.
Although you are a young blogger, first time I am fumbling when I am introducing someone in my channel. It's really you look like very matured blogger, and you are very veteran blogger. It seems like, but you are into blogging since.
Basically, I don't work much on my blog. I work more on microblogging community and all these things. So after I became a mom, I started my journey through Hyderabad Mom. At that time, I just wanted to create a support system for all the mothers. So my only purely intention was like that. So I should prefer to call me as influencer more than a blogger, because I don't write much on blogs. It's very like less things I write there. But yes, I do microblogging. So my pure intention was to help to build a strong community of moms where everyone can help each other, support and grow together. That was my only intention. At that time, I never thought I'll become an influencer and I'll start so many things. I'll work on these things. These all things were not on my mind. My only motive was just to support and grow together and help all the moms in their parenting journey. So I started with that, and mothers and parents, mothers, they liked it a lot. They got lots of help, not only in parenting, their lifestyle, their personal lives and everything. And the result is that today it is like one of the biggest community of moms in Hyderabad. So if you want anything related to parenting moms, you can just join Hyderabad Moms. And also I started my journey of Indian Mommy as my personal experiences, parenting experiences, because I was more into research, reading many books, and I could filter which is correct information related to parenting, which is not. So I thought it is better I can showcase it also. So I started that also. And then Hyderabad Moms, Indian Mommy, and all this were going on. And then recently I joined this My Playdate community also, where we talk about families grow together. So all are interrelated to each other, but I'm handling all of these things.
You are from Hyderabad or from other place?
Basically, I'm born and brought up in Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Many people don't know about this. That's why I'm telling state also.
That's why I'm
But
asking you.
I'm here in Hyderabad from last 8 years, and I just love this city. The day I, stepped into Hyderabad, I love this city. Its climate, its safety wise, everything. People here are so helpful. So I just love this city, Hyderabad.
Good to know. So you are a fellow city blogger. We are very happy to have such a talented blogger in our city. And coming to this Hyderabad Mommies, so it is a very premium name. How did you get that name?
When I became a mom, I wanted some community like this. So I started looking for something, like I started searching that. So I didn't found any active and famous and helpful community like this. So I thought, because I wanted to join, I didn't wanted to create anything like that. I just wanted to join somewhere where I should, get all the support, and also everyone is supporting each other. So I was searching that. After searching, I found that none of the community is there exist. If some community was already there, I would have joined that, and I would have not made this Hyderabad Moms. But there was nothing like that. There were many small communities by naming this with 10 members, 20, 50, 100, not active, just lying like that only. So I thought it's better that I should create one so that it will be helpful for others. And my only motive was because most of the moms, we are living here in nuclear family. Times have changed. We don't have much support system. So there are so many questions, n number of questions when women become pregnant, which doctor to visit, which doctor is correct, whether to go for C-section. What there are n number of questions once she gets pregnant, and it continues till the baby is born and the baby becomes a teen. So questions never end. So every time they will be having so many questions. So I just wanted to create a support system, a closed community where they can share their questions, they can get all the answers, which school they should send. Every time people will ask which school is good, which school is better, which teacher is good, which hospital should I visit, which doctor is good, which pediatrician is good. Like recently also in coronavirus, should I go for vaccination, should I consult this doctor, or my baby is having these problems, any home remedy for this, and a number of questions are there. Their personal problems also, if they're having any issues in their personal life, their career, they can come and ask anything about their life. So this is so helpful, and all the other moms, one mom is asking, all other will jump into helping that mom. So I just wanted to create a community like this. It happened, I created and worked on it, and now it is doing good.
Yeah, actually, that is a
And we are
good
growing,
concept.
a
Actually,
lot.
you did a good job. That is for a good cause, and you look very patriotic when selecting name, because Hyderabad Moms is a city oriented, Indian Moms is a country oriented. So why you are selecting such type of names?
Okay, so basically Hyderabad Moms, because it was more focused on Hyderabad. Like I wanted a local community where you can get all the things: which shop, which doctor, which hospital, which school, which college, or which office. Everything related to Hyderabad I wanted to create, because country-wise I found there were few communities which were very helpful. So I wanted to create something for Hyderabad. So I selected Hyderabad Mom. Indian mommy, because as an Indian mom, I wanted to showcase my journey of parenting. It is a little bit different from the moms who are outside India. It depends on different countries. So I thought, okay, I'll create this as Indian mom, and also I have created a community called Indian Mommy. Though work is still going on, so because Hyderabad Moms is having more of the 90%, 95% are Hyderabad moms from Hyderabad only. So now I have created another community called Indian Mommy, where moms from everywhere around throughout the world countries can join. Whoever is Indian and want to get into Indian parenting things, they can join that. So I created that community also, though some works are going on in that community. And I created this Insta account long back, so where I share my journey. I write about my parenting, my how I raise my kid, activities, food, and all things. I write in that, in Indian Mommy. So there is nothing specific. It's just ki Hyderabad I selected because I was focused on Hyderabad, and Indian I selected because it's more about Indian things. Because I follow most of the things which is Indian parent, Indian mom can follow. That I am doing usually. Like food, what I give to my kid is mostly Indian food. So that is the only reason. Nothing like nothing specific.
So guys, who are watching this for the first time, or who want to come into blogging for the first time, this is the best example you can take. You can start with a small thing like Hyderabad, that is a specific niche. So you should start with your own city, with your own language. If you are comfortable with your language, then go for either Telugu or Hindi or whatever may be. There are very good YouTubers and bloggers who are doing such wonderful videos and articles in Hindi also. So don't hesitate to start with whatever comfortable. So coming to mommy blogging, I saw your Insta. Most of the time I don't see any mom products. When I see other mom bloggers, there are a lot of mommy things like diapers, oils, so many things, Mama Earth. 90% of those Insta articles will be like that only. But when I visit Chaya Sharma, there are some different things like food, sometimes webinars, sometimes there is no mom products. Do you not do reviews or what?
No, it's like I do get many product reviews and all this, and I also do, but I keep a limitation on that. So as you told about diaper, I had done ad also, advertisement also for a diaper, but as my kid stopped diaper very early, he left very at young age. So not much you will find, and also I cannot take all the products for reviews. So many people will be connecting for reviews, so I cannot take all the products for review, because only if I like the product and if I believe in that product, I think that I should do that. Otherwise, every day we will be getting on Insta messages ki can you review this product, can you review this product, that product. So there are n number of products, and I cannot take all the products and do review for all this, because that is not my only motive to take free products and do the review. That is not my goal, basically. So it's my parenting journey. If I like something, yes, I do paid promotions also, because at end of the day we also have to run our family and all this. But I'm little selective in that. If I like the product, if I like the brand, and if I'm comfortable with that, then only I'll be doing this. Otherwise, I usually don't take those things. And also, I'm very much occupied with many things, so small things I usually ignore, because it's not an issue for me to. I work with brands, with big brands also. I keep it limited. It is a proportion that this many only I will take and this much I will not take, like that. So I don't take everything whatever is coming. I keep a limitation on that, because I don't want my Insta page to look like an advertisement page where only these advertisements
Exactly.
are
Yes.
there.
Yeah.
So some reality should be there. I think that's the
Very,
only thing.
yeah, 100%. I agree with that. Type of products you take for review, and how many days exactly? What are the minimum requirements you do before review?
Basically, I try the product for at least 10 days before reviewing. 1 week to 10 days I usually do. And obviously, I don't take any product which I don't believe in. Usually, I don't try much products on. If you will see, hardly any beauty product will be there on my page, because I don't apply also. I don't know also about makeup and all these things. So I don't take, because people, if they will approach me, I'll say, sorry, I don't do this. And I don't know, basically. I can't do, so I will not take. For kids product also, I don't apply much products on my kid. I usually believe in hardly applying one moisturizer and oils on jo normal oils are there. So I don't believe in much products. So if they will come up with some fancy things, I usually say I don't prefer. So I don't want my skin or my kid's skin to become a thing of experiment. Everything I'm applying just because I'm getting for free. So I don't want that. So only, yes, some trusted brands are there, like Mama Earth. I love that. Mother's Splash also I like. So these brands are there which I like. So I took them. I loved them, and then I put the review, because it was genuine for me. Otherwise, you will find n number of oils are there nowadays in market. So yes, I have done a video ad. It's not on Insta, but I have done a video ad also for a brand. But then I felt that I should not have done that, because I was a little bit confused in that. So then I decided, no, I'll do only the ad which I'm comfortable with. So I did for Pampers. I love that brand. I did for some cloth diaper brand also, because I love that. So I usually try to put genuine reviews only. Most of the time it's genuine, and only selective I will take. I will tell the brand that, see, I don't believe in this product, then I'll not take. If it's good, then I will say, okay, I'll try, and after 10 days or so only I can give you the review. So that is how I do it.
So, coming to child activities, most of your Insta stories and posts relates to children's activities and all with your own kid. And what is your advice to young moms who are having same age group of kids like you? Because this is a pandemic, we as an adult we have some hobbies or something we can divert our mind and all. And how about the kids? What is the best activities you can do with them?
Basically, I don't focus on particular activity. I just give him anything, whatever. He can play with some boxes also. He can play with some. Yes, I do have lots and lots of books. If you are following me on my stories, you will find I have big, huge, I have, I guess, 150 or 200 plus books for Raman, including activities and stories. So I believe books are the best friends for kids and adults. as well, right? So I take books, and whenever I post stories on books, people ask me, my inbox is filled with questions like, from where you got this book, and
Even I
there is,
asked it seems sometimes.
yeah, so many ask me, and there is no particular source. Like when there was lockdown, and it was complete lockdown in March, April. No shops were open, no sites, no sites were doing delivery and all. Still that time also, I was having some new books. So sorry, not new books, pre-loved books. So what I used to do, whoever is my friend or in my community, in my building society, I used to ask them, "Ki your kid is in LKG, so you have this nursery books, give me." So they used to give me. I'll erase that portion, the activity things, and I'll give it to my son, because I find it fine. Ki, theek hai. He needs book and he needs activity, so it's fine. I'm fine with pre-loved. I don't have any issue. So I used to collect book from each and every source. If I'll go to market, if I'll find any bookstore, I'll take. If I like some books, I'll take from there. So there is nothing particular. I'll take only this book and this book and that book. Whichever book I like, from wherever I'll take. So I have a collection of books. And from the childhood, like from very young age, I introduced books to him from 6 months, and he loved books. So it's like that. When he will take books, he will just keep on reading, and he will ask us also to read those books. And probably I'm not, very much into uploading stories. I usually upload very less of what he is doing daily, because I cannot do, the whole day stories. So hardly 1 or 2 minutes I will upload. But yes, he's more into books and activities. He will ask me if I'm going to sleep also. He will ask me, Mama, come, let's do one time activity, and then we will
At
sleep.
what time he will sleep?
He sleeps by 8:39
Oh,
something.
good to know.
So this all I have, maintained from very beginning.
Yeah,
When he was
that's very
newborn, after
nice.
3 weeks, I started this all. His daytime routine, nighttime routine, setting all this. I have started very early. This food things and all, I'm very particular about this. I have to do like this. So all things are very punctual at my home, for my kid at least. Yeah, and activities, I do buy some activities. I do not believe in buying so much of toys. I believe only in buying selective toys. Most of them are activities based, so I buy them only. Rest is like, he will play with anything. He will take some boxes or some activities I will plan for him. He will do that. All these things he will do. So he'll keep busy himself, and also he plays football inside home, cricket inside
Mm.
home. He will keep
So,
running. He will
what
ride his
standard
scooter
he is
inside
now?
home. He's 3.5 years
Mm.
old. This year he's not. I have not done admission for him.
I think
So I'm
online classes are
homeschool.
going on now for Hyderabad.
Yeah, but I'm not able to, because I'm very busy, so I'm not
Yes,
able to
yes.
give time to him.
Mm.
I'm busy with my laptop. My husband is busy with his laptop, and we have to sit with
So,
him.
what do your husband do?
He's into market research. I
Achha.
was also into market research.
So, both of you are entrepreneurs. You will be targeting market
Uh,
happily.
so yes, so I was also into same field before I became a mom.
Coming to
So
food,
we are always
you look like a foodie because
yes.
many stories you post on Insta, rather a mom blogger. You look like a food blogger. Some yummy recipes are seen most of the time. Every day, at least one.
No, I'm not a food blogger first of all, and I love cooking for my home and my kid
I think
and
you
our
eat a
family.
lot, huh?
Yeah, I eat a lot. Yes, I'm a foodie, but I prefer home cooked food more than outside food. And because of this corona, I have become a perfect cook. I must say, I have the first
Congratulations.
month when this lockdown started, I didn't had much work, frankly speaking, because I had few projects in my hand before this lockdown, which got postponed and cancelled. So I was left out with very less work. No, none of the brand collaborations, not much work was there. So I, focused on cooking. So I used to cook lavish breakfast, then a big lunchtime meal, and then some dessert I'll prepare, and then dinner. So and also our lunch
Unfortunately,
will
it
not
is
be
COVID time.
yes.
Otherwise, I should have come to your home to
And
have.
I'll try experimenting new things, new recipes. I'll create and I'll change something in that.
But
So I
don't
used to do,
experiment on me.
but I can at least homemade food. I can cook good. That I can say. I'm not very good
Thank
into
God.
all this exotic things, but basic homemade food I can prepare very good. That I can say. So I love doing that.
So, what is your source of income? mainly?
My source of income is brand collaborations, and as I have joined my Playdate also, so we'll get salary from there. And majorly is the brand collaborations, events. I got few projects also, which got cancelled. Otherwise, I would have worked on that project and I would have, earned good.
So how do you get these projects and events?
Because people know me, they approach me because of Hyderabad moms and Indian mommy and all this
Yeah, you have a
brands.
community.
Yeah. So if any brand has to do anything on in Hyderabad, they will approach me because I have a big network. So to conduct a event or this PR activities, small PR activities I'm doing. So all these things I'll do, and now so I'm full fledged into full time job also.
Okay.
So
What are
from
your
there,
educational qualifications?
I'm a management graduate. MBA have done in finance.
Mm-hmm.
I
So
was into banking.
finance graduate,
Uh,
doing mommy
yes,
blogging and also foodie.
yes.
So multiple talent.
So I
Mm.
was into banking. I was with
Oh.
Citigroup for 4 years, and then I was into market research for 4 years. So 8 years of corporate experience I have. And after becoming mom, I could not resume my job because of few reasons, like no one was there to take care of my, and but I couldn't sit idle.
I think
Never in
you
my
don't
life I
even
have.
need a job now. You will be providing opportunity for others.
Yeah, now I don't need, but at that time I was thinking, what should I do? When my kid was born, I thought, what should I do now? How can I resume job? We looked for many things, many options, that can we do this? Can we hire a nanny and can we go? But he was too young, 2 3 months, and somehow I was not convinced leaving him and going to office to a nanny whom I don't know also, because I would have hired a new one. And language was also a problem because we don't know Telugu much, and
Now you know.
we were not getting any. Still, I don't know much, and I have to learn this. This is my big
This is too
drawback, I
much.
should say.
As a Hyderabadi and you are a very good lover of Hyderabad city, you should
Yeah,
learn
I'm
Telugu.
feeling so guilty. I
Yes.
can't tell you, and I have to learn this.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Try to learn at least 1 hour a day
yeah, I will.
during
I
this
will.
pandemic.
This must.
This is a best opportunity.
Many, you won't believe, many news channels, and they've asked for interview, but only because I can't speak Telugu.
Yeah, Enadu,
They
I
couldn't.
saw you on Enadu also because Enadu
They
is a
translated by
popular channel,
themselves.
Telugu channel.
Yes.
So
So videos also, a
we
few
should
news
we
channels
should
also,
be
they approached
seeing
me.
your Telugu interview soon.
Yeah, probably I'll try to learn in next 6 months. I'll make a target. At least I can speak
Yeah, yeah.
few news channels. They reject. They
Did you
ask
try
me, and
Tollywood?
I didn't try it, but yes, I got opportunity from them
Yeah.
last month. But I was not very much comfortable because I don't know these movies in all fields. I'm very much interested in doing advertisements, but I don't know about movies and all. And already I'm packed up with so much of work.
Yes, yes.
So the person was behind me for long, that you can do. You are very good in this. I told him, neither I know Telugu nor no
Yeah,
I
I
can
thought the
act
same
scenes.
when I saw your profile for the first time. I think 1 year back or something. You look eligible for Tollywood. So many people are coming into Tollywood. They don't even know screen presence. They don't know Telugu, and they don't even know acting. Also, some of the heroines
Okay.
you can see. So you are way better than them.
Thank you so much. I'll take it as compliment. But
Yeah.
yes, I got a opportunity of lead role in a movie.
Oh, good.
But I was not, comfortable in doing. I was not actually, the role was good, but I didn't knew much about this industry and all. It is something very new, so I said no to that. But yes, I had done few advertisements like Pampers Ka and all, and I'm very much interested into doing advertisements. Probably I'll see what is there next for me.
So, what are your current and future projects?
As of now, obviously, Hyderabad moms, I'm working Indian mommy. I have also created a community for Indian mommy. I have to work more on that to build it. And Indian mommy Instagram is going on. I have created YouTube channels also for both. So I have to work on those also. Blogs also I have made, but I'm not very much active. I'll try to give more time. And then also I'm working with my playdates. So they also have few upcoming projects. I usually have webinars like every week. So I'm working on that also. Then promotions and all their campaigns I'm doing. Their My Playdate community also I'm handling. So I work on that also. So I think my hands are full with work right now. And
Mhm. So,
and
what are the
obviously
do's
home.
and don'ts you recommend for the new aspirants who want to come into online community or business?
I will tell for community or influencer you want to say.
Influencer or blogger
So I
who
can't say
want to
much about
come
blogging.
online to build
Yeah.
their career, for example.
So I get many messages from many people. They ask me about how to become an influencer. I always answer them that there is no particular answer for this, because when I started my journey, I didn't wanted to become an influencer. I just wanted to do something for society. And in the meantime, I started growing, and people started considering me as influencer. Because I became influencer, I influenced so many moms, 12,000 in my community, and then 6,000, 7,000 my Insta, and then again on Hyderabad Moms Insta. And so many places people started getting influenced. So I didn't started it to become influencer. I started my work, and slowly it became as influencer. So I tell them, whatever you want to do, first decide why you want to become anything. So people just, they see, when they see you, they
Hmm.
think that okay, she is getting so much of campaigns, she is earning through it, she is becoming famous, so we should also do that.
Yes,
So this
exactly.
is not correct way of starting anything. I started something because I wanted to do that.
Hmm.
I wanted to create a community. I love to do that. I, love doing communications and, helping others. We also run a 24/7 helpline system,
Hmm.
helpline group for mom, where we are available 24/7 WhatsApp, and it is helpful for many moms. We get many reviews for that. So my only motive was to help them, to, support them, to create a strong support system. And then slowly it make me, reach here. So according to me, you should follow what you love. If you love doing something, like you love singing, you love dancing, you love, some art, craft, reading, you should follow that, and slowly you may become good in that. So you can share on your social media, probably people will like that, and then you will become, dancing influencer, or some art and craft thing. If you are liking, you can become that. So there is no specific answer to, how to become an influencer. It is, you have to work hard initially. You have to follow your passion, what you love. Because if you don't love anything, you will just do for. And also money don't comes immediately,
Hmm.
right? So it comes at very later stage, after some time.
People are more interested in fast food
And
and
just if you
2020.
want to, yeah, and just if you want to do for free things, products, I don't think it's worth, because it will just create, lots of stuff it will create, and nothing, it's of no use basically. So I also got a message from a mom, I just want to create my Insta to get some few products, because I see people are getting so many few products. So I just want to make my Insta for few products. How can I get that? So I feel like this is not the correct way. The product must be of 200, 300. For that, you have to put so much effort. That is not the correct way. You have to follow your passion. If you love doing that, then do that. Otherwise, don't go for this. You can, I always think that because I'm, doing some work, or showing my skills on Insta or something, I'm investing my time into that. Time is money for me. So if I'm investing time, I know that TK, I will get something back from here. If I'm not good into that, I'll not invest my time there. I'll do something else, and I'll try to earn from that place. Probably some investment or some other thing, share market or something, because I know what all I'm good at. So I won't prefer if a person is not good at anything and just doing because others are doing. So this is not the reason, because she is doing, my friend is doing, other person is doing, so I should also do. This is very wrong thing. You should only do something because you love to do, you want to do, and you have some vision in that. That is my suggestion to the aspirants who want to come into social media. And recently, to this TikTok and all, everyone is making videos, and they think that I don't want to say much about that, but yes, my only thing
So
is, if
let
you
us not go into controversies.
yeah, controversies. Otherwise,
It is a
your
big
channel will also create
sensitive thing now.
controversy.
So
I
whenever I
prefer
say
to.
something, there is some plus and minus is there. So I just kept quiet on that subject.
Yes, exactly. And also, like, see, a few things with me are I'm not very much comfortable in sharing my personal life all on social media. People, do that day to day life. But if you will see when this lockdown was not there, Corona was not there, you will find more stories of me when I'm going outside, working with some brand, going to events and all this. But if I'm at home, I prefer my personal life to be little personal only. So not much you will find about my personal life on my stories, and people might not know that also. Very less stories about my kid also I'll put. Yes, I put, but very less. So I don't like much to post about my personal life on social media because I think it is little personal. So there are many things people do, but what I am comfortable, I'll do that. So that is what I think everyone should do. Whatever you are comfortable, you should do that rather than what others are doing. So I have my own way of doing things. People have their own way. Like I do talk about positivity always because I believe in that. I follow that. So I always believe. So much is going on. Corona is going on. Still, I talk about positivity because I believe I am always positive. I'm, packed up with so much work. I also have housework. Cook is not there. I'm cooking all the time. I'm taking care of my kid, my home, laundry, everything. I'm also doing with all these works. But I'm not, panicking, or I'm not doing. I'm not crying or cribbing. So this is what I feel, that whatever you feel, you should showcase that. So I always feel positive. I always try to make people positive, think positive. So I showcase that only. So that is my thing. But if other person is feeling something else, they can show their thing, not because I'm showing something they have to show. So social media, I'm seeing many people are copying others, so that I think is not correct. You should show that what you are thinking, what you are feeling. You should be genuine.
Exactly.
So this is my advice to. Yes.
Yeah, very good. I agree 100% on that. And I have also learned from these 5 years of blogging that whenever you don't have any interest or love or passion about what you are doing, then you don't get any success in that subject. So
Yes,
choose the
exactly.
subject which you are loving and you have comfortable with. Chaya, one last question, that is my play date. Is it correct? Did I pronounce it
Yes,
correctly?
yes,
So
yes.
I always get confused with that. So what is this my play date about?
Okay, so my play date is previously it was a play area, and now we have started many new things. It's an online community where our tagline is where families grow together. So we have online preschooling, we have online classes, after school activities, we have many things like baking, coding for kids, mini classes, many things. And we are also coming up with few new things, which I may reveal after it is done. So we are working on them. I will say lots of expansion we are doing, and lots of new projects we are coming up with, so, which I cannot reveal right now. But yes, it is all about how families grow together. So it is started by my friend and my boss now, Nupur. We are working on this concept that more and more people get to involved in this, and we are also doing so many things in this pandemic. We are providing free classes to all the communities in Hyderabad, and probably we'll also start doing it for outside Hyderabad city. Free classes on Saturday, Sunday to kids, baking, singing, dancing, storytelling, and more, many more classes. So we are working in our all aspect to make spread positivity and make kids and parents happy. So we're also coming up with few new things, which we'll get to know after a month or so.
Saw your Facebook status regarding franchisee and all, maybe relating to this thing only.
Yeah, we are expanding a lot, and we need people, franchisees in all the cities. So if anyone is interested, they can connect with us, and we are hiring franchisee for different cities.
So if anybody wants to connect with you, what are
They
your
can
handles?
Insta may you can connect with me on Indian Mommy and Hyderabad Mommies and Hyderabad Mom Tribe, and Facebook may you can connect with me on, if you are a mom or mom to be women, then you can
What
join
about
my
men?
community.
They should not connect with you. Or?
I have not created. Yeah, they can connect on my Playdate community
Oh,
because it's for both the parents. You can connect on my Playdate if you are a male and parent. So that is for both. That is for parents, mom and dad both. But Hyderabad Moms is strictly for moms or moms to be who are married and planning to become mom. very strictly. We are very strict in approving profiles, so we don't take any chance. Then I have Indian Mommy community, which is, I'm working on it. It's already created, but things are going on. And my profile is Chaya Sharma on Facebook. Uh,
Chaya Sharma, see, that is also two H's are there. First time I am saying why.
because if it is one H, it will become Ch.
Oh,
Chai wala Ch.
oh.
And if it is two H, then it will become
So much
Ch.
meaning in that.
Yeah.
So I love your way of selecting names and all. And finally, a little short general question: what did this pandemic bring to you? Any advantages or disadvantages?
See,
What
I always,
advantages
like I
you
said,
have taken from it, and what are the disadvantages?
yes. So as I always say that I believe in positivity. I believe in becoming, staying positive all the time. So when this started, obviously two big projects fell from my hand. Two or three, I think. Those were very big. Trust me. I lost, not lost, but I was about to get big, huge amount from that, but I couldn't get. But still, I was happy. I could get more of family time. My kid was not going out. I was not having any events. Because it was very hectic for me before that. I used to go for events almost every alternate day, and then I have to manage kid and home and everything, brands, campaigns, HM, and this. So I'm always busy. So I thought it is very relaxed. First few months was very relaxing for me. Instead of having household chores like cleaning, mopping, clothes, and cooking, still I was like relaxed. Ki I don't have to go out, and I got much more time with my kid, because 3 years school was not there, so he was 24/7 with me, and my husband was there at home, so we can talk more. Otherwise we hardly get time to talk with each other. So I felt it this way. And then when you feel positive, positivity attracts you. This is what I feel, right? So I always try to feel positive, and then with that, things started coming to me. Work started coming. I started getting brands collaborations and all this thing. Then this my plated car and this thing, then work started coming to me after a month, because I think positivity attracts positivity, negativity attracts negativity. So I never prefer to stay negative or cribbing about things. I always prefer to talk positive about what I have, and don't think about what I don't have. And it helps a lot as a person, because I've lost many things in my life. I don't want to talk about them, and I have seen so much bad things. I lost my parents and all this, so I know what negativity is.
So we
And I have
didn't
seen so
discuss
much.
about your parents. Can you please a little bit?
I don't have my
I don't
parents.
want
They
to make
passed
you
away
cry,
long
but
back.
a
Yeah,
little
because I
bit
get
of your.
emotional, so I don't want to
Okay, anyway,
talk
sorry
about
for.
that. But yes, that's what I'm telling. I see sometimes people are having everything, but still they are sad, they are negative, they are cribbing. It's better when you have whatever you have, you should think positive about that, rather than what you don't have, cribbing about that. So I don't have many things in my life. I lack many things in my life. Still, when you think positive, you feel positive, you attract positive. Positivity comes to you. See, life you have to live. It's better to live it positively, rather than thinking and cribbing about what I don't have. And become strong, work hard, and obviously success will be yours. That is what I believe, and I do. Hardly in any of my posts you must have found that I'm very negative, or you will never find. Hardly. If you will check all my posts, I write what I feel. I never write what others are writing or others are speaking. I always write what I feel. All my feelings are there on my Insta page, on my personal
You do
Insta.
yoga daily at 5:30, so you are
My
very positive.
kid,
That's why.
my kid, I cannot tell you about yoga. Yoga has changed my life
Yeah,
like anything.
I saw your Insta about it. So I think
Yeah, I
that
was,
made you more positive.
I did yoga. That is proper yoga, not as exercise. I did long back when I was like 17, 18. I did properly. I used to go to that yoga center for a year. I went continuously at 5:30 a.m. So I used to wake up at 4:30. I used to take bath and all, change to some fresh clothes, and then I used to go. You imagine at that age, 18 years,
Hmm.
when people are partying and all, I'm going
I
to
will
yoga.
be awaking at 9:30, 10.
So now I'm also
uh,
waking up late because I'm working till late
at
night,
that
but
time.
I'm telling
At that
about
time.
that time.
Now I
Yeah.
am a little bit early, 6:30 because. Now
So
we
my
should.
son wakes up very early actually now. So he wakes up by 5:30, 6:30.
So
So
now
after he
COVID is
wakes up,
there. Now how you are maintaining that yoga time?
so now I'm not able to do much and I have to work on this because my timings are little disturbed because I work till 2 at night. So it becomes very tough for me. So say basically this is an excuse I must say because there is nothing which you
No,
can't do. You can handle
yes.
everything. This is what I believe, and I
Sometimes
myself
we
am
need
accepting.
excuses also.
But yes, I run behind my kid all the day after working also. So I have a very hectic schedule starting from 6, 7 a.m. to night 2 a.m. There is no PM basically, and I don't take a nap also hardly because if I will take a nap, I think it will be better. But I don't suggest or recommend this to everyone. It's very important your sleep times, and I'm working on it. I want make it 10 to 11 a.m. or 11 p.m. sleep time, and then wake up is like okay, 5 6 is fine. So I'm working on it. Probably if I'll manage things more in a more organized manner, probably I'll be able to do it. But I have calls and all this for my play date, and I have some things, some pending works. So I finish it by 2 at night. Yes, yoga helps a lot. I will suggest each and everyone to inculcate it into your life. It seriously helps a lot. But you have to do it properly. Don't think it as just I want to lose fat, I want to become thin. So that is a simple exercise then. Proper yoga is something very different, which I have done. I know it. It has lots of stages. It starts from, this warm up to asanas, to pranayam, to shanti part and all this. So I have done proper yoga from Munger Yoga Peeth. I know that proper yoga what is, and it helped me a lot. It changed me a lot. All the confidence and positivity I got it from yoga only.
Yeah, even I am looking forward to do some yoga, meditation, pranayama, something like that. I never did that, but the doctors advised me to do that because recently I got anxiety problem
But you
last
have to
month.
select correct person who can teach you because
Yeah,
you will
I am
find so
looking
many
forward
persons
to have
teaching.
a good mentor or
I have done from yoga this Munger Mutt is there. So my Guruji, he was proper. They will not do any promotions and all, and they were not into money making also. But they had that process which I followed, and it is too good. I'm telling you, it's like magic. It will do magic on you. My health problems, my mental problems, everything got solved. I was very stressed at that time also, but it helped me a lot.
Yeah, Chaya, despite being very, very busy and you are attending 3 to 4 webinars in a week and daily also sometimes, still you have given me this opportunity to have you on my channel. I am very happy for that. And me and my audience are privileged to have you on this Best of Guru channel. Please stay home and stay safe. This is the mantra now.
Thank you so much. And also, I request everyone to stay home, stay safe, eat good and healthy food, increase your immunity because that is only going to help you at the end. Probably 70% if we are getting, infected. Your immunity is must. You have to work on your immunity, for which you have to eat good food. And thank you so much, Guru Sir, for inviting me and giving me this opportunity to speak on your channel. I'm feeling very honored. Thank you so much for this.
I am very thankful to you at the same time.
And all
And
the best for your channel.
so, people, if you want to follow Chaya, I am leaving the links of all her Facebook, Instagram, and her website also in the description column. So, please do follow her and take her as an inspiration for whatever things you want from her. Thank you, Chaya, and have a nice
Thank you
day.
so much, sir.
Bye.
Thank you. Same to you, sir. Bye.